This DCC018N 18V DeWalt tyre inflator has some fantastic features. It's got triple power options, which means you can use it in an 18V battery, of course, goes on there. A 230V option. It doesn't look like the supply delayed. If that's the case, that's very, very mean and stingy from DeWalt. And a 12V cigarette lighter type attachment, which is included. When you see it out of the box, this is what you got. It feels quite solid, as you'd expect from DeWalt, a solid piece of kit. On this side, it's got 3 different adapters to blow up different things like footballs or the things that float in swimming pools. I know inflatable companions. I don't know what you're into, but I don't judge. There's this hose as well, and what this hose does, it hooks onto either one of these ports. That's to blow, and that's the back. Okay. On this other side, you've got a little hatch that opens, right, and that's where you plug in the 12V cigarette lighter plug. I would say the mains goes on there as well, but DeWalt in their stinginess have not supplied that, so I think that's a wee bit mean-spirited. For something like this, it's about £120. They could have charged a 5 or more for it or something and supplied that. So I'm going to go ahead and slam on a battery now. I have here a 5 amp DeWalt 18V battery, which is one of the bigger size in the XR range. I don't know if it would suit a flex volt, but there's enough room for the larger XR batteries in it anyway. So if I go ahead and switch it on, there's the on button there, and you get a nice digital display. And this button changes from blow or vac to inflate, you know. And that's the on button, and there's a dial. So I'll talk about that dial a wee bit later. There's a hose, the inflator hose, which I suppose it's long enough for a portable unit, but it's not extra long, you know. But it's probably long enough. So there's that. Something's important to point out is it's showing bar instead of PSI, but I think you change it by doing this here. I think you hold this on. It took a while to figure that out. What you do is you hold on those 2 buttons. That changes to kPa or PSI. So you have to hold on those 2 buttons and turn that dial there. So that's how you change your to PSI. So that's very important. As I mentioned, this hose is not exceptionally long, but it's long enough, I suppose, when it's portable. So that's screwed onto the wheel now, just to see, and it's 28.5 PSI. So that's a wee bit low. So what we're going to set her to is, let's set her to 33. And the purpose of this dial is if you set it to like 33, like I've done here, and press play, it'll go on, and then when it reaches 33 PSI, the unit will shut down, so you don't have to stand and watch it, which I think is a wonderful feature. That took literally about 30 seconds. I thought I was going to be standing here for 5 minutes. This is extremely powerful. The one thing that I haven't covered is this button, the light. There's a little LED light there as well, which is useful, I suppose, if you get a flat wheel at night. So I think this DeWalt tyre inflator is a winner. I think they've been a bit stingy not supplying the 240V cable with it. I think the hose could be a little bit longer, but besides that, this thing actually blew my mind. It's awesome. It's absolutely awesome.